Hi everyone, today, we're going to take a look at the 5 best portable heat pump on the market for this year. First, we're going to show you our 5 best picks, then we'll talk about what you should look for before buying a best portable heat pump. You can find timestamps and links to all the products we mention in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. Simple, mobile, and incredibly energy-efficient portable heat pumps continue to grow in popularity each day. Rather than large, expensive furnaces that are difficult to install and maintain, homeowners choose to invest in plug-and-play portable air conditioning units, some of which don't even require installation. The best part is that portable air conditioner and heater combos can be moved from one spot to another with ease. In this video guide, we discuss everything you need to know about the best portable heat pump systems to help you decide whether they would be the solution to your heating or supplemental heating needs. Let's begin with a review of some of the best portable air conditioners with heat pumps. Number 5. Haier HP Nd14XT Portable Heat Pump. Finally, the slim, beautiful Haier HP Nd14XT makes another worthy option for anyone looking for round-the-year cooling and heating. A 14,000 BTU when cooling, portable air conditioner that also delivers 10,000 when heating. The easy-to-install air conditioner is designed for spaces up to 500 square feet and sits nicely in any RV or car. The portable air conditioner has 4 operating speeds: cool for cooling and heating during the warm season, heat for warming up the indoor air during the cold season, fan only whenever you need that nice fresh feel of circulating air, and a dehumidify mode to reduce indoor air. You also get to choose from 3 fan speeds, high, medium, and low, and 3 heating speeds, high, medium, and low. Every item you need for the installation, including the window venting and exhaust pipes, is included in the kit. In addition, the portable AC uses a digital control panel and has a 24-hour timer and digital thermostat for easy control and efficient operation. Pros: heats at 10,000 BTU per hour. Recommended for up to 600 square feet. Caster roller wheels for easy mobility. Digital time and temperature display. Cons: need to improve the window mounting accessories. Number 4. Honeywell MM14 CCS Portable Heat Pump. If you've used a Honeywell appliance before, you'll know well what the MM14 CCS BB heat promises. Sturdy, safe, and dependable, the heat pump, which also works as an AC, is ideal for rooms between 550 square feet minus 700 square feet and comes with thermal overload protection for added safety and peace of mind. The portable air conditioner is relatively easy to install and fitted with washable filters designed to protect you and your loved ones from dust and other particles. With 3 fan speeds, a 24-hour energy-saving timer, and remote control, you're guaranteed comfort round the clock. A front-facing, feather touch control panel and display unique to the Honeywell Classic series and quiet operation at under 54 decibels or other noteworthy features. The 14,000 BTU, ASHRAE 128 Standard, and 7,500 BTU, DOE Plus 2017 Standard portable heat pump comes with a full window kit included. The kit works for both horizontal and vertical windows. Pros: dual washable filtration system, thermal overload protection, full set window kit included, 24-hour Energy Star timer. Cons: more expensive option in its category. Easy clean dust filter. The dual washable filtration system filters dust, pet dander and hair from entering the unit, helps reduce impurities in the air and is easy to clean by running the filter under a faucet. Number 3. BPAHS Star AP14001HS Portable Heat Pump. The EdgeStar Extreme Cool 14,000 BTU Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioner and Heater, AP14001HS, is quick to cool large rooms up to 400 square feet using its powerful dual hose design that cools 40% quicker than single hosed models. Doubling as a heater, This versatile portable AC provides you with year-round comfort, no matter what the season. It's an impressively quiet portable air conditioner, producing less than 56 decibels at maximum fan speed. Small and compact at 35 inches H by 18.75, W by 15.75 D, it has a 24-hour programmable timer. The thermostat can be programmed from 61F to 89F. In addition, you're allowed to choose whether you want the temperature displayed in Celsius, C, or Fahrenheit, F. The package includes a window kit, 34 inches max, and an extended exhaust pipe measuring 49 inches, or just over 4 feet. You're advised to use the heat function for supplemental heating only as the portable air conditioner heats a smaller coverage area than it cools, even at full speed. Pros: 3 fan speeds, automatic restart, installation kit included, casters for easy mobility. Cons: requires professional installation. Number 2. Black & Decker BPACT Nd14XT Portable Heat Pump. Having an Black & Decker BPACT Nd14XT air conditioner and heater in your room will keep you comfortable and relaxed all year long. With heating, cooling, dehumidifying, and fan functions all combined into one unit, our portable air conditioner with heat pump gives you movable, flexible air temperature control for any season. You can even roll it easily into different spaces as your needs change. Save space and time while enjoying air that's always customized just for you. Suitable for spaces in the 150 square feet to 250 square feet range or any 10 by 20 foot rooms when cooling, and 200 square feet to 325 square feet or any 15 by 22 space when heating. The portable air conditioner is another AC plus heat pump option. Its vertical motion creates powerful airflow for consistent indoor temperatures, with a slide-out filter designed for easy rinsing under the faucet. The BPACT 12HWT's top features include precision programming, electronic controls, an LCD digital display, sleep mode, and a 24-hour timer. The 4-in-1 bucket design allows for cooling, heating, dehumidification, and fan-only operation. Performance is noiseless throughout. The portable air conditioner package includes a 4-foot, 11-inch exhaust pipe, window kit, and a manual guide. It is a 6,000 BTU portable air conditioner when cooling and 12,000 BTU portable unit when heating. Pros: precision programming, electronic controls, easy to wash, slide-out filters, 4-in-1 bucket design. Cons: ideal for smaller rooms. Number 1. Winter ARC14SH Portable Heat Pump. The Winter ARC14SH portable air conditioner is specifically designed to be mobile and powerful. This dual-hose portable air conditioner is the ideal solution to keep any small space such as bedroom, office, server room cool. This unit features advanced auto-drain technology, which uses and recycles moisture collected during the cooling process to produce cool air. The dual-hose operation provides fast cooling. Rated the best portable AC unit to buy by Good Housekeeping, the Winter ARC14SH, which also holds Consumer Reports' 2019 highest score for portable air conditioners. It is a 4-mode HVAC system that operates like an air conditioner, heater, fan, and dehumidifier. The portable air conditioner offers full thermostatic control, 61F to 89F cooling, 61F to 77F heating, with digital readout, and is designed for spaces measuring around 500 square featuring. In addition, it is eco-friendly, uses R410A refrigerant, and comes with a patented auto drain function that fully and automatically drains all condensate. Furthermore, 24-hour programmer, remote control, activated carbon filters, washable pre-filter, 3 fan speeds, and quiet operation are other features of the portable air conditioner. The window heat pump combo comes with a complete installation kit that includes a 60-foot extended exhaust and intake dual hose and window kit. Pros: remote control, full installation kit, 3 fan speeds, CFC free, lead free. Cons: Professional installation required. Final verdict. From this best portable air conditioner and heater combo reviews, you can tell that they are a great heating option, especially for low-load applications. In addition, they are affordable, easy to install, and very easy to maintain. If you already have a central heating and cooling system, they would be an excellent supplemental heat source. But it would help if you got the size right. Also, it's advisable to get a high-efficiency, 2-stage compressor heat pump with a variable speed blower motor.